we're back. Hope you guys are enjoying the content that is being put out on this channel. We got another great one here on Christmas Eve. This is going to be a lot of fun, and I can't help but tell you that, you know, I'm not a big proponent of meme coins, but this one just made me smile. Okay, there's just no way around it. We're going to talk about 8bitdoge. I'm a big 8-bit fan. I'm kind of biased when it comes to 8-bit graphics. That's what I played with when I was a kid, and to me it's a superior art form, but we won't get into that. We're looking at 8bitdoge. It's basically a tenth of a penny, and you know, it has kind of a downward slope. If you look at the whole chart, it's been up and down, up and down, up and down, and overall downward slope. Introduced in October of 2021, like many other meme coins this year were introduced. But folks, this is just a great use of blockchain technology. It's sitting at $3,500,000 thereabouts for its market cap. And, you know, it's got an overall circulating supply of 2.59, I believe, billion sitting over there. But let's just go to the meat of the matter and check it out. Look, you can't help but like this. Look at this. Tell me that's not the cutest thing you've seen with regards to these meme coins, okay? And it's more than a meme coin. They've got some things going on here that you can look at. They've got NFTs. They've got a white paper talking about what they're trying to do. They got their team. They've got their token. And most importantly, right out of the starting gate, these folks have a game. Let's check out their white paper and see what they've got going there. Let's see. They're going to talk about they're talking about game and token roadmaps, charts and social media, how to buy on Trust Wallet. I want to take a look at the, we pretty much know the whole NFT bit. Let's look at their about here, their mission. It says our Doge pound is located in the Binance Smart Chain. We aim to cement the 8bitdoge ecosystem as the first and most revolutionary project to bridge the utility of blockchain token and games and NFTs that directly contribute back to the token's price floor. So there's a little bit more to this than just the game. It appears that they're looking out for their investors. But I am just enamored with this whole concept of the game and the NFTs that are obviously going to come out of this. It's going to be cute. There's no way around it. It's going to be cool. We just might as well just get ready for it. Look at this. Look at this, folks. How can you not like this? Classic nostalgia, 8bitdoge on a side-scrolling platform intertwined with blockchain technology and tokens. It doesn't get any better than this. Perfect for Christmas Eve. Hope everybody's enjoying their time with their family and friends. Please drop the likes. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Please share this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.